Alright guys, we've got a lightning storm here. So here it is. Whoa, see that? I don't know what we're gonna do here. So you got some lightning going on here. This is bad. The weather report says it's gonna be a freaking bad storm. Hopefully this storm will pass quickly because I got my pressure washer and everything out there. I'm not supposed to even be out here right now. Weather report says it's supposed to be inside right now. So I'll go back in. You can probably hear the wind. Microphone here. But you know what? This is ridiculous. I can't be out here. So I'll be going in. See, here's some more lightning. And seeing. Oh shoot! What's going on? See, we got lightning going on here. Hey. I'll go bring the dog. I'll go bring her in here. Get in there, hurry up. So we gotta go take care of business. We've got a lightning storm here. Dogs do something up here. Wait.
I don't want you hurt. I don't want anyone hurt.
Get in there.
No,
What's going on?
she's barking at the cat.
Oh. Okay, so we got my 2 new lamps here. Oh, the thunder's really close, actually, I think. You know what? It says till 9 p.m., but I think this is going to be past 9. Honestly, because it's like freaking... going on right now. Look, we got rain on the... Oh, shoot, that was right there. That was right there. You know what? Yeah. Okay. I don't know what we're going to do. Because we can't go outside. Wind is... What the heck?
What was that? Did you hear it?
There goes my lawn chair.
Ow, you stepped on my shoulder.
I'm sorry.
Someone's yelling.
It's those guys over there.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, huh? I heard them out there. They're yelling at each other. They're probably... What the heck is that? My lawn chair's like moved like freaking...
Those are on the trap.
Yeah, Mom took them off for some reason.
No, I took them out because I was jumping on it.
And you set them up?
No.
No. Okay, I was just wondering. You know, I'll update you guys.